Just listen to one song, and if you listen to two songs, you will earn $6. If you listen to two songs, you will have $12. With this platform, you can earn more than $800 just by listening to music. The first thing you need to do is go to the search bar and type in the name of this website, which is called Jamendo. So this is the website we're going to work on. Using this here is the icon. Just click on the first link and then it will take you to this page. Now just click on this on the left side where it says start. So now on the home page of the website where you can find thousands of items. Free music tracks in different genres can be enjoyed. Listening to them in a moment. I will show you how to listen to music tracks like these songs and make money from it. There are thousands of people making money with this website every day. Your computer or smartphone is ready, and let me show you some secret tickets, one of which I use so that you can make the most money. But first we need to create our free account here, and to do that just click where it says login and then just click here. Now you can sign up using your email and password, or you can just use your Facebook or Google account. So after doing that and a login in your account will look like this. Here is your name and your image will be shown. Scroll down here, you will see some of the popular music songs that the website offers you. You don't worry about these songs. Just scroll to the top of these songs here, or what earn us money. Just click here where it says more. It will show us all the songs on the website. You can also download this website app, and if you want, on both Google Play and App Store, or you can just use the website. It's up to you. It works worldwide, so today's method will work for you no matter where you live in the world. One of these different genres here, one that I personally use and recommend, is the pop genre, where you can most likely earn more money. So just go ahead and select it, and then just keep this option on all countries, and it's just like it. And now it's going to show you hundreds and thousands of things in the pop genres. We can do a search, do a quick Google here, and you'll see for yourself that the pop genres is now on the first floor all over the world. These songs can earn you roughly $6 per song over and over again. So what we have to do here is just listen to some of these songs and then download them. Don't worry, it will make it simply and very easy for you. Even beginners who have never made money online can still do it. I'll show you in a moment how to get paid just by listening and downloading these songs. First, you need a few songs download. If you scroll down here, we have thousands of songs, but obviously we are not going to listen and download all the songs. We only download the best songs from here. Try the first songs right here and just click the button to start listening. Click play to do this. Listen to the whole song after listening to just a few seconds of the song. If you think it's good song, go ahead and download it from here. Just click on the download icon and then select free. It starts downloading now. Now if you don't like the songs, simply try another one and keep doing this until you find the songs you like. Choosing the song you like is very important. So download it to your computer and I will show you how to make money with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. So the next step is that you just need to go to this website that we want to use to earn real money. With it called treeupload.com. Now I want you to pay attention to me here so that you can do it right. What the developers of this website do is pay us to share music files and so much. It says upload and share here, and then you earn money. You can upload images of songs and find videos and you get paid for it. We have already saved the song on your computer. After uploading your song on the site, they give you a link that has your song, and then all you have to do is encourage people to download and listen to the song, and when they do, you'll get paid $6. I will show you exactly how to do this and also how to get hundreds of people to your link for absolutely free. You don't need a big social media following or anything. Like right now, if you just click on the place that says earn money, you will find more information about how to get money. So you can see here, if you download from their one country, you will earn $7. Those are the United States, Canada and Brazil. If you get downloads from level 2 countries, it will earn $6, and in level 3 and 4 countries it will earn $5. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have several payment methods such as Bitcoin, PayPal, Pioneer, Perfect Money and many more. The good news is that the minimum withdrawal is only $1, which means you can start withdrawing money on the first day. You can also earn more money here by referral, which means inviting more people to the website. But I will leave this part for another video. I will show you a real example of how to make money with your music song on this website. But first you need to create an account here. Just click on the sign up and then fill in your information here, like username, email and password, and again choose your password. Then choose your payment method. I recommend using PayPal. So if you don't mind, just go create a free PayPal account. It's very easy, and then just check I'm not a robot and hit submit option. So just confirm your email and click upload files to enter back here, so we can show you how to upload songs here and make money from it. Here, this song I downloaded from previous website. Make sure we prepare our song to our. There are different options here to upload, but we are not working with any of them. This is what we will use. So make sure that you select this one and then click on this blue box that says browse files, and then select the song you want to play from the God devices. In my case, it's one, and when I do that, done, click on start upload and it will start, as you can see. And now what you need to do is copy this link and send it to people so that they can download the song from it, and once they do that, you will get paid. But don't expect to make that much money with just the song. As I told you before, this method should be done with a lot of songs. Now the last step in our video is where to get traffic and people. Download the songs from the link below. It's not complicated. The way is you can just go to Facebook and start searching for Facebook groups related to music, and you can actually talk to people there and ask them about the link. Inform yourself.